Hey everybody, welcome back. Just stepping back into the house. This is going to be an interesting video because it's the last video before the sheetrock happens. As you can see, the spray foam has been installed. Over here you can see the shutoff for the outdoor barbecue grill plumbing area. Shutoff valves, they'll be put in a nice box that's hidden behind the wall, but for now we just spray foamed everything nice and tight around there. As you can see, there's spray foam in the ceiling, filling the full cavity, and spray foam in the walls for soundproofing. And the other material you're going to see throughout the house that is not this light sort of, off-white color, which is the spray foam, is this more grayish green material, which is Roxul Safe N Sound is the product. It's a fire preventative and soundproofing insulation. It doesn't do anything as far as heat goes for keeping heat on one side or the other, but it is effectively fireproof up to extremely high temperatures. Yeah, and it does soundproofing. So as you can see, there's an awful lot of that stuff that's been put in, and it looks sort of like a drunken chimpanzee installed it, but that's because I did it myself in kind of a rush. I did the entire Roxul for everything you can see in less than 24 hours, I would say. It just finished up, and I had enough to do almost the entire house. The entire upstairs is 100% soundproofed, every single wall, with the Roxul Safe N Sound, 100%. Down here, I could do everything, the space between the two master type bedrooms with the en-suites and the ceiling joist, so that would be good and soundproof for anything going on downstairs. And then down here in the open area for the living room above the dining room area, it is not, there is no soundproofing in the ceiling between floors. But with a large enough cavity for the joists for the floor, I think it should be all right, fairly quiet. As you can see over here, now that we're under where the ensuite bedroom is, you can see the insulation is all installed, soundproofed. So yeah, if you hear tapping noises, that's because the gentlemen are installing the stonework on the outside of the house right now. I'm pretty excited. The next update should be a pretty big one. I'm hoping that there's enough stone to actually show that progress outside, and I should be able to show the sheetrock, which I think about 3 days from when this video is posted, or 4 days, the sheetrock should be mostly done, I'm guessing. I'm not positive. A lot of things going on here right now, but that's what's going on here. I'm gonna go upstairs real quickly, just to do a quick fly through. Even here in the mechanical room, it's very dark, because obviously now there's solid walls and there's no lights, but all of these walls in here have had the Safe N Sound product applied. Again, all the cavities here in the stairwell, upstairs and down. Trying to make the footfalls as quiet as possible on the stairwell. And over here, should get a little more light back in the video. You can see that it's all soundproofed. Tried not to skimp anywhere, packed every joint I could find. In the office area, you can see the sheetrock is all staged for doing the ceiling. Lots of soundproofing material. Same thing here in the other guest bedroom. You can see there's spray foam up against where the exterior wall is on the north, but in the interior, it's all Roxul for soundproofing. Should be good and quiet, I hope. Okay, just rounding out the end of this video, showing the other master bedroom, the one with an ensuite, I should say. And there you go. All right, thanks for watching this video.